The U.S. and China expected to sign a phase one of the trade deal. It's going to happen tomorrow. And this morning, Eunice Yoon has some new reporting on the purchases that China will agree to as part of that deal. Good morning, Eunice.
Good morning, Andrew. So sources familiar with the text told me that under the new deal on Wednesday, China is going to be ramping up its purchases of U.S. goods by $200 billion over the next 2 years, with 2017 numbers as the benchmark. So this is the way it breaks down. Agriculture is $32 billion, manufacturing about $80 billion, energy $53 billion or so, and then services at $35 billion. So there has been a healthy dose of skepticism about whether or not China is going to be able to reach these targets, not so much in agriculture and energy, I'm told, because this is where China does have a need, but mainly in the manufacturing and the services targets. So one example that was given to me was Boeing planes, that China hasn't really expressed a whole lot of interest in buying the 737 MAX, and also not some of the other models as well. So what do? Do you force them to buy these manufactured goods, or when there really isn't a need? So that's one of the big problems that people are talking about. Another one, and a major complaint, is that China hasn't, or that the deal itself hasn't addressed a lot of the issues that would help open up the market to be able to create that kind of need. So some of the non-market, some of the barriers to entry, or the non-tariff barriers, the procurement discrimination, state subsidies, industrial policies, these issues haven't been addressed. And so that's also left a lot of these people who I've been talking to calling this pure fantasy as well as true comedy. And then there's the broader concern that people have, and that is that because the goals are so unattainable, that you end up building in a dispute between the U.S. and China, and then the tensions that people are hoping will go away don't necessarily go away, guys.
And, of course, the question of enforcement, how you deal with any of these things if they're not met. Eunice, obviously a lot still to talk about. We will have you back very soon and dig a little deeper into it.